to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today's video is gonna be another challenge video. So I'll be eating only mangoes for next 24 hours. So I have done this kind of challenge video previously on my channel. So it was 24 hours street food challenge. So I will leave that link in the description box below in case if you haven't checked that out already. So the main ingredients will be the mango. I'm not going to have just mangoes throughout the day because I think it will be kind of boring. So I'm going to put mango in every dishes I will have. I think that's going to be more challenging and more fun. So let's see how it goes. But for now I'm having my warm water because I can't start my day without this. Then I will move on to my breakfast. So let's see what I'm going to have for my breakfast. So for my breakfast, I am having these 3 slices of mangoes, almond and 1 roti. Ever since summer season has started, I often have this in my breakfast. I won't say I love this one, but I like this one and I can have it. So it's almost 1 p.m. and I start feeling hungry a little bit. So after having bath at this point of time, I start feeling hungry again. So I have to have something right now, but I don't know what I'm going to have because I don't want to have something very heavy, so I can't have my lunch. So I think I'm going to make mango shake because it is tasty, also it is very light too. So for my lunch, I'm thinking of making mango pancakes. So I'm trying that for the first time. So let's see how it goes. Almost 2:30. I was doing some work actually, but now I start feeling a little hungry, so I think it's the perfect time to make the lunch. So for my lunch, as I said before, I'm going to have mango pancakes. So I'm going to use the leftover mango shake to make the pancakes batter. So let's see how it goes. Actually, I have to make a thick consistency batter. So for that, I think I have to add a little more milk or a little more mango. So let's make it together. Time for the lunch, and I'm going to give a quick food review of this mango pancake. Let's have the first bite. I'm going to have this for the first time. It's tasty, but it is too sweet. If you are a mango lover and you love to put mango in everything, then you are gonna love this. Since I don't have a sweet tooth, I think these two are enough for me. Make this in as much less oil as I can, but still it is too oily. That's why I have put this tissue paper. So I will give this food 4.5 out of 5. 7:30 and I'm feeling a little hungry, not too much, but I'm feeling super lazy to make something. I was planning to make mango mousse, but I don't have that much time because I have to do so much work. So now instead of this, I'm going to have a plain mangoes. So me and my sister are having plain mangoes. So we have chopped a few mangoes and we are going to have this right now. So it's almost 11 and now I'm going to have my dinner. So usually I don't have my dinner this late, but I got a little busy with my work and I completely forgot that I have to complete this challenge. So this is the last meal of this whole challenge and I'm going to have this. So it is a Bengali dish and it is a mixture of rice, milk, sugar and mango. I love this one, so I'm going to have this quickly, then I will catch you up, guys. So I'm done with my dinner and it's almost 1 and now I'm going to go to sleep. So before that I thought that let's end the video. So I am ending the challenge here. Since I don't like sweets that much, that's why today's challenge was a little harder for me than the previous one. But whatever, I enjoyed this. If you did the same, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. The links will be provided in the description box below. I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.